Hi guys, welcome to MTech Viral again, and I just came from the Dev Fest and just thought that I have some time to talk to you guys because yesterday I could not have this Ask PK live, and right now also I couldn't told you earlier because I was not sure when I will be back. So now I just reached to hotel and. I don't know whether the audio or video are visible or not, but yeah, I'm here. So if you have any question, then you can ask me. Hi, and um, just came from the Dev Fest, as you can see here. If this is visible, so it was a great event, and here at Trivandrum, and it's kind of good to see all those guys and great. And it was great. The Flutter talk was amazing as well, and people actually convinced with what I wanted to talk about Flutter. So it's kind of it feels good, right? Um, so I am not taking those questions right now. I don't know. We can talk about few things, but I'm not taking random questions today because I'll be making many other videos for that. I feel that, um, but still because we don't have that much audience, so I can take few questions. So if you want to prepare for data structure, learn algorithms, and then you will be good to go. Best approach to learn any programming language is practice. Obviously, if you will do a better practice with it and it will improve your skills, then it's good to go. Thank you, Ed. It feels really good that my channel can also be someone's favorite channel. And whatever I do, I wanted to do in the best way possible. So thank you so much for talking about it, and it feels good. So we have this career in Flutter. There will be definitely a good career in Flutter. Hi Raj, Rahul Raj. It's nice to connect. So now I have at least one subscriber from the GDG TVM Dev Fest. That's nice. Thank you, Rahul. Thanks for liking this session. One thing I would like to request you, because you are here, because I don't know whether your friends were here or not, just do a shout out about this session of Flutter on Twitter, okay, using the hashtag Flutter. And you can tag me as well at the rate I am the PK, I am THEPK. And then, we will have some impact, like we actually did something good today. So if you can do this on Twitter, then it will be good for me as well. So uh, oh, thanks a lot, Rahul. I'm not sure whether who are those people who are actually watching the videos or not. But again, if you are learning something from my channel, it's a pleasure to have you here. And it's like a Flutter family which I have now. So everyone is important for me, and thank you so much. Movies point, I don't know what's your exact name, but thank you so much for liking the videos and my Flutter tutorials. I try to do whatever I can do. Hi, I'm Ramanpreet. uh, I'm not a sir, okay, I'm a brother. So don't call me sir, I don't look like that as well. Can you make video on cloud firestore rules? Yes, I'll definitely make. So I from from a decent amount of time, I haven't made Firebase videos or Firestore videos. So I'll be looking to cover more Firestore stuff, maybe Firebase stuff totally. We'll talk about remote config, or deep learning. So a lot of, or not deep learning, so it's deep linking, okay, and we'll try to work more on the ML kit, maybe some TensorFlow videos you can expect in future, I guess. That's what I actually want to do, but I don't know when I will find that much time, but surely we will do something much more than this. um, I started with the documentation at the beginning. There was not much, but then I explored a lot, so that I can make something for you guys to easily have all the content. So I don't know where how my voice is sounding right now. Is it audible properly or not? Because the connection is not good here, so maybe the video is also not that much good. Ramanpreet, thank you so much. Ritik, you can start with maybe my tutorials, okay? And then once you watch a few of them, then start writing your own app, and then you will start getting some problems or maybe some bugs. Then eventually try to fix them, and this is how you will learn. Uh, sure, Rahul. We will be in touch. Localization tutorial, please. Okay, I'll see what I can do with that. Definitely, if there will be a lot of requirement from you guys, then Angular Dart, I'm not actually very much keen to do that tutorial, so maybe I don't know when I will do it, but that's not something I'm planning right now, doing Angular Dart tutorials. But because I have a lot to cover with Flutter also, and I'm making this channel much more than only for Flutter, so I'll be doing a lot of motivational videos, you can say, so that it can help you in starting programming. And I'll also touch a few points which like about laptops and everything. So I'll try to share what I know about in each part of the technology, so that it can be a channel for you where you can find all this information which you are looking for everywhere. So that's also give me this um, I feel good when someone find my channel or my whatever I say useful. So it's good to have. We can write background services using Flutter and Dart. Yes, right now they have announced it. There's a Medium article I can share. I can check it out. Are you coming to GD Dev Fest 18? Which where? I will definitely love to come. Just let me know where you are talking about. Um, Thanks, Ritik. Um, I am actually thinking about making a Udemy course, but I don't know whether it will be good, because I don't know if people can buy my course, and I don't want to make it the just for the sake of making it, just for the money and all this stuff. I don't want to make it. If I'll make it, then it should be it should be good enough to invest money in it, and it should be something which I haven't covered yet. So I mean, it it totally depends on how people are taking this. But right now, I believe I'm planning to have one Udemy course soon. But let's see how you people react to it. So it's totally your choice. If you will ask me, then definitely I'll make it. No, I never bought any Flutter or Dart books, just online. I never bought any book. Okay. GDG Jalandhar. Okay, so I'll try to be a part of GDG Jalandhar, not on 13th October, because I was supposed to be there on 13th October, but I have to fly to Bangalore for the event, because there is some extra requirements there, and because Matt is also coming to Bangalore, so he wanted to meet me, and we are planning something. So maybe on 14th of October I'll try to fly back to Jalandhar. And I know it is not that easy, but I want to meet you guys there in Punjab. And I actually wanted a lot to be there, and I'll try my best to be there on 14th of October at least. And then we will talk about Flutter and some things which only in person you would be able to ask, like there are a lot of things which you cannot ask on this kind of conversation, because it does not come to your mind or something like that. So let's try what can be done. I am not here for a long time. I have to go for the dinner, so let's just take 10 minutes more. Tell me some companies to intern as a Flutter trainee. I don't know about that. You have to search it by yourself. I don't have that data. Google has just released data set search, so try to search on that. Thanks, Ramanpreet. I'll try to be there, and definitely. If you are connected with me on social media, and then obviously you will get that update if I would be coming to that event. And 99% I would be there on 14th of October. But if I am not, then uh, I don't know, I don't want to say that. I will be there. I'll try at my level best, and you will get to know about it via any social media platform like Twitter, Facebook, or any other place if you are connected with me. Can you please tell me next Flutter meetup in Bangalore? It's on 13th of October. Okay, it's a dev fest in Bangalore. So if you want to join, then you can join there. Um, I guess I am 24. Yes, yes, I'm 24. Hi, Muhammad Meshkani. If it is not, uh, yeah, it's Meshkani. I guess I hope I am pronouncing it correctly. Let me know if I'm not pronouncing it correctly. So this is the idea about Dev Fest, that I'll try to be a part of 4 to 5 Dev Fests this year at least, and I'll try to be, you know, connect with you wherever you have the Dev Fest at our nearest location. So just let me know, and I'll try to be there so that we can have a good chat maybe, and we can know each other better. And I can able to I may be able to answer your questions or something. Um, no, learning Dart will not get you a job at Google, but if you are good at any programming language, there are a lot of vacancies in Google you can apply for. Even if you are good with Dart, then also you can apply for it. I have any question? Bang Jali, what was that? Yeah, it's Bang Jali. Did you like TVM Kerala? What is TVM? Trivandrum? What is that? I don't know. So it's if you are asking about Trivandrum, then it's obviously a good place. It's like there's a lot of peace here, which I feel. A lot. There's not that much. There's not that much crowd, and it feels good when you come from a crowded city or a place. So yeah, it's a good people, good place to visit at least once. And because I don't have that much time to stay here, otherwise I would be looking for having a good time here. At least I wanted to stay for 2 to 3 days so that I can visit few places as well. But I didn't get that chance because I have to join my office on Monday, and I have other works as well. So I will be leaving tomorrow, and unfortunately I cannot go to few places which I wanted to. But maybe next time, if God will uh, want me to come, then I'll definitely come. Sorry. Are you when you implement search bar Flutter into Pokemon app? I don't know when, but as soon as possible. I don't know, man. It's kind of difficult, to make to actually think about making videos nowadays. Actually, you have to divide. I have a lot of content to actually make videos on, but right now I'm not sure which one to pick first. So I'll try to do every video as soon as possible. That's what I can say. Are you losing market share by not publishing to Apple App Stores? I haven't made that much applications for myself, which is actually targeting Apple Store or something. But if there is a business or there is a product which actually wants to reach to customers, then obviously he should or they should target the Apple App Store as well, because right now target because it's your product and you want everyone to use it. It doesn't make any sense if only Android users can use it. So it's kind of good to have an your application on App Store as well. um, I told you that next Flutter event meetup. It's a Dev Fest event. As far as I know, but there will be a Flutter talk in Bangalore on 13th of October. Um, and then transform widget. I'll make a separate video on that, because right now I cannot tell you about how to work with this and everything. So maybe it's kind of very easy actually if you will look into the source code or any example you will find online. Are you coming to USA anytime soon or plan to? Let's see. I don't know. Maybe if GD summit is happening in US, so maybe if I'll get an invitation, then I'll be coming to US in November. Maybe, I don't know. It totally depends on Google. If those guys invites me, then obviously why don't I would like to come. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. If you liked my this Ask PK live episodes, then please do leave a like button on press the like button, so that I can understand that yeah, it's something which I should do maybe in future as well. So right now I just got 7 likes out of like 30 people must have watched it, I guess. So please, if you're not convinced enough for I should not make this live session, then also let me know. And that's it, I guess. uh, so I'll make a separate video about which computers to buy, what's needed, what's not needed, and let's see what happens. So what I'll make a video very soon, don't worry. Edgar, thank you so much. And it's very good to see people not just from India, from everywhere in the world. So it's amazing. Do you have a job for a junior Flutter developer? It's not actually for junior Flutter developer. It's someone like Android developer who has a kind of Flutter experience, but it's not particular thing which I'm sure right now it's available. But we can talk about it if you want. Is that hard to start Flutter? No, no. So I have 3 more minutes. This session will not be more than 20 minutes. So just 3 more minutes to go, and then I'll switch back. And boom, there are a lot of things available here. So maybe I can get a better experience. Oh no, that's not good. Okay, this looks good. Flutter versus React Native. What do you think? Flutter. And I think I have already talked much about it earlier as well. Oh, it's just not good. This is good. Okay. No. Okay, so that's the whole idea, and please press the like button, subscribe to the channel if not the subscriber. That's actually feels very important to me nowadays, because that gave me this motivation to make these videos, because I'm not doing it like as a full-time work, but still whenever you subscribe to the channel, I get a notification, and it feels very good to see those numbers coming. And I have a very good idea about PWA and a very good opinion about it, but it will take at least one video to talk about it. So, in if I want to summarize, then obviously PWA is a good thing. It can be very helpful for web developers especially, and it has a lot of things to achieve, but it's a good futuristic thing. I believe if there are some certain areas where they will cover it. Okay, I know there's some flash in between, but I have to press this icons using my fingers because I'm using this phone. Yes, I am single, man. Don't ask these questions um, in public. Okay, so we have just 1 minute. No, you don't actually need a MacBook or Mac PC to do Flutter programming. You can do on Windows, Linux, or Mac, anywhere. But if you want to run Xcode or the iOS simulators or iOS application, then obviously you need a Mac. Okay, we have just 45 seconds to go, and 16 uh, people are watching it, and only 10 likes. I guess from the start it's been 20 minutes, at least 30 people must have watched us, maybe more than that, and only 10 likes. I don't know. I tried to do my best, but I don't know what's missing. um yeah, Manuel, thank you so much for joining. It's a good to have you here. Thank you, Manuel, thank you so much. And as I told you, that this community is not just about few people. It's we have people around the globe, and everyone is connected, and that feels good. And we are such a niche community, which is now making more sense. Like I am thank you so much, Moses, if that's correct. I don't know. So I am done with this video, okay, and I'll definitely try to come next week or maybe before that for another Ask PK live video, because I have a lot of things, and I'll be making more videos about this as well. So please be with me. Like the video if you enjoyed all of my content, and please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon if you want to get future updates. Also please share with others so that others can also get benefit like if you are getting. So that's about it, and thanks everyone for joining. It's been a pleasure to chat with you, to know about you, and to interact with you guys. It's actually feels very good. And that's it. Bye bye, take care, good night if it's a night there, and if you're living in India, otherwise good morning if you just woke up. So bye bye, take care, and keep fluttering, have fun.